What's good, y'all? We are back in Japan. I'm so excited to bring you guys some more Japan content. So right now, I'm actually meeting up with my homie Takashi. If you guys watched my original videos of Japan, he's one of my good friends I met out here on my first trip. So we're gonna actually go to Daikoku. We're gonna go chill. And yeah, stay tuned. And what happened next even surprised me. Yo! No way! Sugoi! Oh my god! Yo! Look at this thing! Bro! Sugoi! What's up, bro? How are you? Oh my god, this is so cool! In Japan? Yeah. Wow! And after being in total shock over what Takashi picked me up in, we got in the car, got gas, and decided to head on over to Daikoku Parking Area, one of the best parking spots in Japan for car meets. This is so sick, y'all. This is how you get around in Japan. So we're here at Daikoku. This is the homie Takashi's. He said it's a 1935 Ford Model 4, I think it was, with a Chevy motor in it. This shit's crazy. Damn, this thing's so nice. Say what's up to you two, bro. Woo! Here at Daikoku, about to see some sick cars. Is it really Daikoku without a GTR spotting? Damn, this thing is clean. Ooh, LMGT4. So sick.
This time is front wheel drive.
What? Toyota Trueno. What? I didn't even know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'd never seen this before. What? That is so crazy. Wow, look, that even has the badge. That is crazy. Oh. Sick. NFX action. This is nice, dang. You got the slap going on here, bruh. I saw that. Oh, I was doing it. That's crazy. I love this. This is sick. Suzuki Wagon R. Oh. A lot of people are here. Bikers showing up. Well, that skyline was nice, but this is really nice. Ooh. It's a good night at Daikoku tonight. This is clean. This one's 11.
Yes.
11 lights,
yes,
right?
11.
That's so cool. Got this big old G-Wagon. Nice Evo right there. This is cool. Always a good time. This is a nice Evo. Oh shit, no headlights. Damn, Ultima on wheels? What? This thing needs its own highlight. This car is so clean. This thing is super dope. See, I'll put my light on. Oh, it's a Autech?
Autech, yeah.
Whoa, yeah, we don't care about that one now. We like this one. Dang. You know, Tetsu has one of these.
Ultimate?
Tetsu, he has one.
Oh, really?
260 RS, yeah. Oh, Midori. Midori car.
That's rare.
It's so sick. this body kit. Oh, thank you. We met this guy who had a sick Evo. He popped the hood and let us check it out. He had a big turbo setup and said this car puts down about 500 horsepower. Oh, wow. It's a big turbo. Man, you never know what you're gonna find here at Daikoku. This is sick. So sick. Bye bye baby. This is dope. It's got sparkles in it too. It's really cool. Almost got me. Last time I saw one of these in person, R30 Skyline. It's so sick. It's so dope, dude. The things you see here at Daikoku, it just trips you out, man. I swear. It's crazy. Got a Billside 370 here, so it turns out this is actually Takashi's customer. That's sick. I like the spoilers. This thing's cool. Super clean group of RX-7s. FDs. So clean. Such a trip what cars you see out here in Daikoku. Never cease to fill. Ooh. Yes, that's what I need. Yes. Yes. So I just learned something. A 4-door sedan that comes with an RB20 from factory from Nissan. That's so sick. I would drive this. This thing is nice. Hi. This is sick. Now this don't make no sense seeing these. That's a trip. What the hell? Man, we just got everything tonight. Clean. Oh, big fitment right there. Shit. Got this Audi rollout. Skyline, I should say. This is sick. Oh, I need a right-hand drive car. Ooh, this is nice. This guy has a California plate on his S15. That's so funny. This is nice. One seat race car. Corona's in there chilling. This is nice. So I found this Z4 here in the parking lot of Daikoku. This thing is sick. Got a big turbo. It's got a big dump right here. Wide body. It's crazy because like even in America, people don't mod these like this. That's crazy. Look at this. This whole thing. Whoops. That thing's sick. Totally cool. Y'all know it can't be a canine video if I ain't talking about a vehicle, though. 32 was pulled up. So Takashi actually. Anyways, so Takashi actually told me he painted this car at his job. So he did work on this. He hammered out the fenders. This thing is clean. Like this thing looks really good. Y'all, you know what? Here, y'all just enjoy these visuals. We just stumbled upon this Evo 3. This is sick. Yo, when I tell you you never know what to expect at Daikoku, why is that there? I'm not even in America. That's crazy to me. And it was really crazy is you look right here, look at, we got some Chargers too. We got an RT, there's a Scat Pack, and a couple Hellcats earlier. Crazy, got this old bed too. Daikoku's a trip, man. You don't know what you're gonna see here ever, like, at all. It's crazy, dude. FD. These really sick FD RX-7s. This white one is really, really nice. Check out the, oh no, it's not this one. It's another one. This is so clean. This is sick. After finding the sick Miata and talking to the owner a bit, we decided to call it a night. It was a successful first night here at Daikoku and back in Japan. Make sure you guys subscribe if you aren't already, because things are only going to get better from here. We're back in Japan, y'all. Get ready. See you in the next one.